Hello and welcome to my studio. As you may well know, we're coming up to Anzac Day, a day to commemorate and remember all of the soldiers who fell during the various conflicts the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps participated in. To commemorate that, I have produced this, which you see behind me, in the shape of a silver fern. It is many bullet shells and casings all lined up with one fallen bullet to commemorate those who have fallen. It took me a long time to set this up, but my theory now is that if I'm to knock it down, it will come out in a domino effect and hopefully give me something even more spectacular. There's only one way to find out, so let's see. So I'm not really sure I got the result I was looking for there. It looks kind of cool in some ways, but I'm not going to really know until I've gone through all my images and had a good look. Please let me know what you think about it though. Please like the video and don't forget to like the page.